Welcome to this self-affirmation video. I am glad that you are taking a step towards self-love and personal growth. Find a quiet place, take a deep breath, and imagine my voice as your inner voice inside your head, speaking to yourself. I am worthy of love and respect. I accept myself exactly as I am. I embrace my unique qualities and gifts. I am enough just as I am. I forgive myself for past mistakes and learn from them. I trust myself and my abilities. I am deserving of happiness and joy. I honor my body and take care of it. I am proud of who I am becoming. I am strong, resilient, and brave. I am in control of my thoughts and emotions. I choose to focus on the positive. I am grateful for all that I have and all that I am. I believe in myself and my journey. I am at peace with who I am. I am a work in progress, and that's okay. I am worthy of all the good things life has to offer. I choose to let go of negative self-talk. I am surrounded by love and support. I am capable of achieving my goals. I radiate confidence and positivity. I trust the process of my life. I release what no longer serves me. I am grateful for my journey and its lessons. I embrace change and welcome new opportunities. I am patient with myself and my growth. I am deserving of rest and rejuvenation. I choose to be kind to myself today. I believe in my dreams and my ability to achieve them. Thank you for joining us today. If you found these affirmations helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Ethereal Notes. For more content on self-love and personal growth, stay positive and take care.